Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. So today we have this open house in this wonderful park. First of all, look over there. You can see the ocean. We are literally 5 minutes from the beach. This is a family park called Imperial Sands, and the address of this property is 1801 Canal Street. It's on a corner lot, so you have almost no neighbors, and you'll see it as a view of the bay, you know, the South Bay in San Diego. Really, really nice. So the home is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and is really great. The price is $139,900. Oh, and the rent, this is a all ages park, and the rent of the space is only $805 per month, which is one of the most affordable in the area. All right, so are you ready? Come on in. As usual, if you got any comments, place them there. We will answer everything. And if not, now when we edit the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you the yard, the side yard. And, well, here we have a little fellow. That is, have this pack. Is not included with the sale, by the way. But the shed, it is included. It has a nice yard that goes around. And as you can see, it's concrete, so it's very easy to maintain. It has some cypresses here, which is very high trees. And that's great for some privacy as well. Okay, so let's get in the home. Yeah. Oh, I didn't say the home is from 1970, but it has had some upgrades. Still, there's room for some of your projects, you know, and your renewals. So, you see, this is the living room, quite spacious. You have like a dining area over there, and we will see later, right behind there is the kitchen. We said there's 2 rooms, so let's have a look at the bigger one. So this is good. This is very spacious for room sharing, you know, if they're bigger families and so. And one good thing about this home is that there's no carpets. Okay, so everything, all the floors are laminated. Then the other thing is that, well, you can take a peek here. Of the patio, you know, like we had, and of course we would love to show it to you, but there's a guardian right there. And let's go and have a look at the kitchen. We'll see. The kitchen is quite cozy. All the appliances are included. So yeah, the refrigerator is included, and of course the stove and the vent. And come out this way. I mean, I know that you cannot feel the breeze there in the video, but we can. There's always some fantastic breeze. That area right across the park, that's the end of the park, and that's like a power unit or so. But that area has been there empty for many years. And yeah, look at the view. You have 5 minutes away from the beach. That's really, really good. So here you have a nice yard, and also the plants provide some good privacy. So now let's go see the bathroom and the other bedroom. That's the bathroom. You can see you have a full bathroom and a tiled walk-in shower. And this would be the bedroom number 2, and it has a very nice sorry, I'm pulling too much of the microphone. So, I was going to say it has a very nice walk-in closet, which is very convenient as well. Okay. So this is the washer and dryer that is stackable, and they are included as well. So that's one less thing to worry about. So let's go back. Let's go back to the front, and then we'll do a recap, that we always do. So yeah, if you're thinking all family park, affordable rent, this is probably really something to check out. Okay. The parking is, you can park here right in front of the house, and there's also one assigned spot there just for guests. So there's parking for 2 vehicles. So this is it. So the highlights is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It was 1970. The square footage is about 800 square feet. The price is $139,900, and the name of the brand is Visalia, and the model is Visal. And then, very important, the park is very affordable, it's all ages, and the rent is only $805 per month. All right, so, well, this is it. As usual, if you like it, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to Nacho Yanez Mobile Homes Chula Vista, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.